120.
Okay, do it again. What I didn't say. Did you hear anything?
I only heard like slightly like around here, like about 120-ish.
Let me see. Push it back there. Yeah, do it now. Push the hand back. Yeah. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Because of action. Slowly. Good. Go on. So we got it at 120 down.
Over.
So wherever it stops is where the diastolic, you will measure. Okay. So everybody got this one. Okay. Yeah. Now for the vital signs, vital signs contains or include temperature, pulse, respiration. Now I want us to each person, girl to girl, boy to boy, you are going to count your pulse for each other. So sit down, and then you tell me what pulse you have. Count a pulse, a radial pulse, with your wrist, your chest clock. Hello, your chest clock. So it has a seconds, and you are going to count for 1 full minute. So allow the red clock to get to 12 and 6. So you start. Are you able to get the pulse? First of all, get the pulse before you start. You can't use 2 hands. 1 hand, yeah. 1 hand to hold your. That's how you do it in exam. 1 hand on your patient, 1 hand. So if it is not 12 by 6, you can start by 9 to 3. You see now.